Okay, you two. We've reached ending sounds. You will like this place. Smell the air. Can you guess what's here?
The beach, the beach.
Is it the beach?
Yes. Ending Sounds has a lovely beach. And we're going there now.
Look, Mama, shells. Such pretty ones too.
Yes. Look at them carefully. These shells have words on them. This is a special beach.
I know, ending sounds beach. Mama Yane, what does ending sound mean?
Ending sound is the last sound you hear in a word. The very last sound. We are going to look at the shells with words on them and say their ending sound. All right?
Fine, come on, Chinu. Let's find a shell.
This is web. Web. What was the last sound you heard in web?
I heard a book.
Look, 2 more shells. What are these words? Do they end with b sound too?
Yes. Bib. Tub. Did you hear the b sound clearly?
Yes, we did.
Good. Look at this one. Bed. Bed. Did you hear the sound?
Look, a bird. Hey, bird. That ends with d too.
Come and look at this. A stone with a leaf picture on it. Leaf. Hips. Guess the last sound in leaf.
First sound. What is on this stone, Mama Yane?
A picture of a horse. See? The arrow is pointing to its...
Hoof. Hoof ends with f. And I know another word too. Roof. The roof of a house.
Chinu, you're clever.
You too, Hips. You too. Let's find another picture and word shell ending with g sound. Ah, here's one. Bag. Listen. Bag.
I know 2 words that end with g. Pig and egg. Come, Hips, let's look for them.
Come over here. This is a picture of a book. What is the ending sound you hear? Book.
G sound. Is this kite G?
Yes, it is. Remember, there are 2 sounds that are the same. Cat-k and kite-k. What other words end with kite-k sound?
Pink and sink.
Look at these shells. Ball, bell, hill, and the ending sound is...
Low sound.
Mama, what's next? Draw the letter on the sand. Tell us what to look for. We will find that shell.
That's a good idea. The next sound is ma. The letter looks like this. Look for a picture of a drum. Drum ends with ma.
Yay, I found it.
What other words end with ma?
Broom and worm end with ma sound.
Next is no, right? I know so many words that end with na. Fan, sun, hen, moon.
Kitten, lion. See, I know words which end with no sound too.
Good for you. This is p. Look for shells with pictures of cap, lamp, and jeep.
I found jeep and cap.
And here is lamp. Ending sound P. This is fun.
We must finish soon. There's so much more to see and learn. The next ending sound is sir. Bus and glass end with sir sound.
Here is the shell with bus. saw looks like a snake. Oh, and here is glass.
The last ending sound is T. Tent, cat and heart.
Here they are. I found them.
Good. Ending sounds is over. Did you notice that we have not done all the sounds? Well, some letters do not come at the end of words and some we will do later. Let's go. I'm thirsty.
I'm hungry too. Mama Yane, can we have a snack, please?
Of course. Let's find a cafe right away. Children, while they are busy finding a cafe, why don't you try out these two activities? See you later.
Good. 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 Pebbles Kid Stories.